Hi, I am Somshekhar M, Research Scholar, PG Department of Education, Kuvempu University, Shankaraghatta, Shivamogga, Karnataka. The title of the presentation is Effectiveness of Advanced Organizer Model-Based Mobile Application on Subject Achievement of BEd Student Teachers. This paper was prepared by me and Dr. Jagannath K. Dange, Associate Professor, PG Department of Education, Kuvempu University, Shankaraghatta, Shivamogga, Karnataka. As we know, an advanced organizer is a cognitive instructional strategy used to support learning and retention of information. It is the information presented prior to learning and can be used by the learner to organize and interpret new incoming information. The most important aim of education is to nurture and develop capabilities of the learners to the most desirable level of perfection. The prime objective of teacher education is to meet the emerging challenges of the process of globalization. This led to the development of advanced organizer model-based mobile application as an e-pedagogic approach. Advanced organizer model-based mobile application was a computer program designed to run on mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet computers. It follows the steps of advanced organizer model of teaching. As we know, subject achievement has long been recognized as one of the important goals of education. The subject achievement is a product of factors operating within and outside the individual. Learning outcomes have become a major phenomenon of interest to all, and for this reason, scholars have been working hard to untangle hurdles against good learning performance. Hence, an attempt has been made to develop mobile application based on advanced organizer model and to study its effectiveness in terms of subject achievement of student teachers. One of the perspective course entitled Psychology of the Learner was selected as a subject matter. The problem selected for the study can be stated as effectiveness of advanced organizer model based mobile application for Kuvempu University student teachers of BEd program in terms of subject achievement. To investigate the effectiveness of advanced organizer model based mobile application on subject achievement of BEd student teachers was the objective of the study. Hypothesis of the study: null hypothesis was formulated, and this is the list of null hypothesis of the study. The study was true experiment in nature. It was a randomized pre-test post-test two group experimental design. During the process of selection of sample from the population, simple random sample technique was followed. There were 18 BEd colleges affiliated to Kuvempu University, Shankaraghatta, Shivamogga, Karnataka, India. Hence, 18 BEd colleges of Kuvempu University were considered as a total population. Two B.Ed colleges, namely Kuvempu Shatamanotsava Shikshana Mahavidyalaya, Shivamogga, and Al Muhammad College of Education, Shivamogga, were chosen randomly by lottery method. Both the colleges were affiliated to Kuvempu University, having same type of curriculum, method of teaching, overall academic environment, and evaluation pattern. So, look at the effectiveness, hypothesis wise analysis of data. So, the first hypothesis was there is no significant difference between pre-test mean scores of experimental group and control group with reference to subject achievement. And the second hypothesis was there is no significant difference between post-test mean scores of experimental group and control group with reference to subject achievement. The table clearly reveals that there is no significant difference between a pre-test mean scores of experimental group and control group at 0.05 level of significance, and the table also reveals that there is a significant difference between post-test mean scores of experimental group and control group. at 0.005 level of significance. And the third hypothesis was there is no significant difference between pre-test and post-test mean scores of control group with reference to subject achievement. And the fourth hypothesis was there is no significant difference between pre-test and post-test mean scores of experimental group with reference to subject achievement. The table clearly shows that there is a significant difference between pre-test and post-test mean scores of control group. This table also shows that there is a significant difference between pre-test and post-test mean scores of experimental group at 0.05 level of significance. Look at the t-value. For control group it is 2.48 and for experimental group it is 8.67. And the fifth hypothesis was there is no significant difference between post-test and delayed post-test mean scores of experimental group with reference to subject achievement. So by looking at the table, it is clearly showing that there is no significant difference between post-test and delayed post-test mean scores of experimental group at 0.05 level of significance. So it can be concluded that advanced organizer model based mobile application and e-pedagogic approach facilitated meaningful assimilation of information and ideas among student teachers of BEd program as reflected in the subject achievement scores of experimental group. The findings of the study are in agreement with the findings of many researchers including David P. Ausubel himself. E-pedagogy like advanced organizer model-based mobile application played a significant role in connecting new learning material with the relevant learning material in the cognitive structures of student teachers. Student teachers of experimental group who received e-pedagogic approach performed better than those of the control group on achievement test. The above discussion provides interesting implications for improvement of classroom teaching learning in Indian context. Apart from the teaching at knowledge level, teacher educators should teach at understanding, application and higher level of cognitive domain. For achieving this objective, steps should be taken to orient in-service teacher educators as well as teacher trainees on the line of advanced organizer model-based mobile approach of teaching as a e-pedagogic approach. The teacher education curriculum must incorporate the development of advanced organizer model-based mobile application as a topic of under models of teaching. Steps may be taken to design mobile applications on the line of advanced organizer model. So these are the references I have reviewed. Thank you.